I'm Julie Moran. I'm a geriatrician at Beth Isreal Deaconess Medical Center in Boston, and I am an instructor of medicine at Harvard Medical School. I developed a clinic in aging and developmental disabilities within the senior health practice at my division of gerontology at Beth Isreal Deaconess Medical Center, where I see patients with any and all forms of intellectual or developmental disability, and questions associated with getting older. So I see patients who have problems with change in memory, change in behavior, or change in function. And what's fun about it is that I get to be a detective and help solve problems in a really meaningful way, trying to determine the root cause why somebody might be changing or experiencing new problems as they get older. I got into this field actually, I always knew I wanted to be a geriatrician. And when I worked with a mentor in my second year of residency, I just joined with him because I really liked him, and I thought we had similar personalities and similar styles. And it was only once I began working with him that I came to discover that his specialty was working with older adults with intellectual disabilities, primarily patients with Down syndrome who were getting older. And it was really just by working with him and through his example that I fell in love with the field and decided to make it my area of specialty when I became a geriatric fellow. And then when I joined the faculty, I knew that I wanted that to continue to be part of how my career was going to grow, and decided to expand services to include this population in the patients that we serve in our geriatric practice. So it's become a very busy and very rewarding practice that I run. I work with fantastic people. Working in geriatrics and intellectual disabilities means that you are always working with really, really nice people, really dedicated and devoted people, and a wonderful patient population where you really have such a high impact to make meaningful change in patients' lives. So I love it. It's my passion. It's the best part of my job.